everyone, welcome to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to change a Twitter profile picture. Now to begin the process, open the Twitter application on your mobile device and get logged in into the account. Now here you need to tap on the profile icon on the top left, tap that, and there tap on your profile name, tap on it. It will direct you to your profile page of Twitter. Once you're at the profile page, you need to tap on the profile picture of yours, tap that, and it will provide you the option to edit it. To make the changes, tap on edit. Then you need to tap on choose existing photo. You can also click a picture right away and upload it as your new profile picture, but we're gonna go and choose a picture from the phone gallery. Tap on choose existing photo. Now you need to choose a picture that you want to upload. Tap that, make the changes, adjust it, and then tap on use on the top right. With that, the updating process of your profile picture will be completed, and you can also tweet that you have changed your profile picture. You tap on tweet and the post will be updated. I'm going to tap on not now and skip the process. There you can see your profile picture has been changed. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.